Jai Shanidev friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel and I pray to Almighty to offer blessings to all of you and fulfill all your wishes. I am very thankful to all my subscribers and I hope I will be getting your support like this in future as well. This video series will be helpful for those natives who have any dosha in their birth chart and who are looking for some remedies for such dosha. And also helpful for those who are learning Vedic astrology. By watching this video series, you will be able to understand if there is any dosha in your birth chart. In this video series, we are discussing the various doshas in the birth chart. When any dosha is formed in the birth chart, it will impact the native in a negative manner. It is formed due to the conjunction of few specific planets in the birth chart. Different planets conjunction form different doshas in birth chart. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the Kal Sarpa dosha. What is Kal Sarpa dosha, how it is formed in the birth chart, what will be its impact on the native, and what will be its best remedies for the native who have this dosha in birth chart. So let's move forward and discuss how this dosha is formed in the birth chart and what will be its negative impact on the native. Let me first make you clear that in the ancient books of astrology, Kal Sarpa dosha is not mentioned anywhere. Neither it is there in Brihat Parashar Hora Shastra, nor it is mentioned in the Laghu Parashari. There are lot of rumors about Kal Sarpa dosha in the society, that if Kal Sarpa dosha is there in the birth chart, then the native will face this problem, that problem throughout the life. My motive to prepare this video is to make things clear to you about this dosha, so that by analyzing your birth chart, at least you can take required remedies for that by knowing the impact on your birth chart. So let us move forward and first understand what is this dosha. Let us understand this dosha theoretically first, and later we will discuss the same practically in birth charts. The name given to this dosha is due to Rahu and Ketu. Due to Rahu Ketu axis, this dosha is formed. That means if all the planets placed on one side of Rahu Ketu axis or the other side of Rahu Ketu axis, then this dosha is formed. That means if Rahu and Ketu axis is 6-12 axis, that means if the Rahu is placed in the 6th house and Ketu is placed in the 12th house, then if all the other planets are placed in the 1st house, 2nd house, 3rd house, 4th house or 5th house of birth chart, or if all the planets are placed on the other side, that means if all the planets are placed in 7th house, 8th house, 9th house, 10th house and 11th house of birth chart, then this dosha is formed, or we can say that the native has Kal Sarpa dosha in the birth chart. Now let us understand this dosha practically in this birth chart. Here Rahu and Ketu axis is 6-12 and all the other planets are placed on the left side of this axis. Therefore we can say that in this particular birth chart, Kal Sarpa dosha is there, and such a native may face a struggle in life. There are chances that such native will face lot of ups and downs in career. Personal life of such native also get impacted due to this particular dosha. Similarly, if we see this particular birth chart of Gemini ascendant, Rahu and Ketu are placed in the 4-10 axis. Therefore in this birth chart also Kal Sarpa dosha is formed. Now you must have a question in the mind, that can we always say that whenever this dosha is formed, it will give the negative impact? Then what will be the role of other planets in the chart? Now let us consider this example of Pisces ascendant. Rahu Ketu axis is 6-12 here. That means Rahu is placed in the 6th house and Ketu is placed in the 12th house. Here all the other planets are on the left hand side of this axis. Therefore we can say that this dosha is there in the birth chart. But if we further analyze this birth chart, then we find that Venus is placed in the 1st house of birth chart in the exalted sign, that is in the sign of Pisces. Therefore whenever the periods or sub periods of Venus will come in the native's life, then such native will rise in his career and he will be getting best results of his hard work and achieve the peak in his career. Therefore, before reaching to any conclusion, we have to critically analyze other aspects of planets as well. Now let us also understand under what all circumstances this dosha will not work or will give you very negligible results. If any native have this dosha in the birth chart, then you have to check the degree of Rahu and Ketu. If Rahu Ketu degree is weak, that means if the degree of Rahu Ketu is 0 to 5 degrees or 25 to 30 degrees, that means the impact of Rahu Ketu will be minimal and this dosha will not be so effective in the birth chart. So in these circumstances, you need not to be disappointed, and if you are facing struggle in life, then there must be some other conditions of planets which might be creating trouble to you. Now let us discuss the most effective remedies if this dosha is there in the birth chart. Remedy number 1. After taking the bath daily, you have to chant Om Namah Shivaya mantra daily 108 times. Remedy number 2. You have to do meditation daily for at least 30 minutes. Remedy number 3. On every Saturday, you have to donate black pulses and sesame oil to some needy person. Remedy number 4. Take a coconut on a new moon day and rotate this coconut around your head 11 times and float this coconut in a river or a canal. You have to perform this remedy after sunset only. Remedy number 5. Keep a black dog at home or feed dogs or fishes daily after sunset. So these were the best remedies if you have this dosha in your birth chart. So I hope your concept related to Kalsarpa dosha is clear now. In our next video of this series, we will discuss about Kemdrum dosha. What is Kemdrum dosha, how it is formed in the birth chart, what will be its impact on the native, and what are the effective remedies for this. Till then, may Almighty bless you always, and thanks for watching the video.